What's up, everybody? So this is going to be a very rough, raw video, but I did want to do an update to the Celcius versus Ortho Weed B Gon, because I think I did 2 weeks long. I just released a video, but I think I did a 2-week update, but now it's been not quite a month, but pretty close. And I do want to say that the Ortho Weed B Gon did a great job. I'm actually getting ready to spray the remainder of the weeds in the yard, because some other stuff has popped up. Some other clover that I didn't get initially has popped up. But I do want to go ahead and show you the Ortho area, and I'll go ahead and show you the Celcius too, now that it's been a few weeks, to show you that both options work. But yeah, let me just go ahead and show you. So as you can see, I got a lot of POA here, but this is the area that all the clover, you can see some remnants of it right about there, but this was the Ortho area, and the Bermuda has started to poke back through. Once it starts getting a fertilizer, which I do have actually some green effect in my backpack sprayer as well, because it's a foliar application, so it's perfect to go ahead and go along with the Celcius I'm going to use. But you can see that it actually worked. Now, lots of POA here, but then some clover is still around here, but I don't think I got that area very good with anything. But yeah, you can see the Ortho did a fantastic job. There is the Celcius, and some areas, like there's still some there, but they're yellow and they're going to die here anyway. Like, they're not alive. But this is like the big main patch that was around, and you can see they both did a fantastic job. So, I mean, as you can see, they both did a really good job getting rid of those 2 patches of clover. Now, the rest of the weeds that I sprayed with the Celcius, those also died. This new stuff did pop up. I'll show you that here in a second. But a lot of the clover that was there is gone. And now it's just getting the remainder of it, because now we're about to get into the heat of the season for Bermuda grass, and so I want to go ahead and get the clover and the weeds out of the way so I can really start pushing. You can see a lot of good Bermuda here. I want to get this stuff moving and shaking, but I gotta get these weeds out of the way. And unfortunately, I just don't have all the time in the world to constantly be working in the yard, so it's kind of as I can, so it often ends up being a little bit late. But yeah, I just wanted to show you again that the Celcius did a great job, and even though it didn't look like it, the Celcius did a better job, I think, of showing the initial shock of the herbicide application, meaning that the clover started to wilt quicker and those kind of signs. Do the backpack shake. Where the Ortho didn't really show all that much, but clearly in the root system underneath everything, I think it's the difference between a foliar application and more of a traditional, it's not a soil drench, but I don't know what, you got foliar application and just sort of a root application, because the Celcius is a foliar application, so you got chemicals on the leaf tissue. And while there are chemicals on the leaf tissue with the Ortho as well, it is definitely not really absorbed through the leaf tissue. It gets down into the soil and absorbed through the root system. So while the tops didn't die right away, you can see that clearly at the base. Once I came over it and scalped it with the mower, I mean, there was nothing left. So yeah, both work. The Ortho works really well. So yeah, you're going to spend more money on the Celcius, and you'll probably get more bang for the buck with the Celcius. But the Ortho is more like a 1 to 2 application, then you don't really need it anymore. So take that for what you will. But quick and dirty little update that the Ortho Weed B Gon, chickweed, oxalis, and clover killer did a fantastic job. And just to show it again, that is the that's the Ortho Weed B Gon area right there. Celcius is right there. So they both got the job done.